Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the styles in HTML. So basically by using this syntax, you can add styles to an element, such as color, font, size, and more. By using the style attribute, you can create these changes showing on your screen, resize the text by changing its properties, change its style color, or also the background color. This is the chapter summary of HTML displaying on your screen, which is specifying that you can change background color, font family, font size, or alignment of the text. These are the syntax displaying on your screen. Node 1 is for color, and on Node 2 we have font family, then we have the font size, or on Node 4 there is text alignment. These all syntax per phone, they're on function, these all included in style. By using the style attribute, you can change the color, size, font alignment, everything of heading to same as you can create all changes in properties of paragraph, or you can also change the background color of paragraph while changing color of paragraph text. So as here you can see if we want to change the color of the text. Here is our web page. I want to change the color of first headings. So by remaining inside the body, I will go to code of H1 and type style by remaining in the bracket. Then type color, or here we will select the color like I am selecting violet blue, or save it now. Refreshing my web page. Here you can see the change. Moving to step Node 2, if we want to change the background color like there is paragraph, by opening the heading, I will type style by remaining in the bracket after pressing space, then type background color and select the color which you want, and now save it. After refreshing our web page, we can see the color of background is changed. In step 3, we are changing the font family. For this, same as by remaining in the bracket, after pressing space, type style, then font family. I am selecting Verdana now. Now after saving it here, you can see the change in text of heading 2. After changing the font family, now we will change the font size. For this, we will type style as we doing before, then font size, or here I am selecting 300. Save it or check the change on our web page. So now this is the last step of alignment. In this, we will align our text to the center, but before this, what we have to do to create the size to 50. Now I will change the alignment of heading 4, style align, then select center or save it. After refreshing the page, our text is in center.